So I'm a mechanic and I just don't want to look after the cars for my customers. I want to look after them. Where do I start?
Well, look, I'm with Repco, right? So step one for me is get Nav Pro. Navigator Pro is free. It's live inventory. It's 24/7. It's always there when you need it to procure parts, and it saves you a ton of time. But also, reach out to your network. We have account managers on the road that are perfectly positioned to have these conversations with you and help give you some advice or some insight or talk about your market. Your local store manager as well is a wealth of knowledge and understanding. They know the customers because those same customers walk through the front door. So they have face-to-face. They know what value the customer needs. There's loads and loads of people that you can reach out to in your network. More than that though, look to the leaders in your market. Look at the big chains, look at the dealers and see what they're doing and see what great ideas you might be able to implement in your workshop.
It's a great point, because when I was asking you that question, part of me was presuming that mechanics would know what great customer service is, but some may not know even at that level.
No, but you know what? It's not that hard to get your feet wet and have a go. And it's through trial and error, right? And that's why I say it's important to reach out to your network, because your peers are going to be your biggest asset.
And interestingly, particularly in smaller markets, reputation, as we were saying earlier, and credibility is so important. You do a good job for someone. You fix their car and you help them with their life, and they'll tell someone, and that is invaluable.
Absolutely. And it's something we'll talk about later, but making sure when customers do give you feedback, you thank them for that, because feedback is a gift.
For the last 30 minutes, we've been talking about customer service. Why does Repco care about that?
Well, Repco's been around for over 100 years now. And throughout that journey, we've been forever in step with our customers. And it's really important to us that our customers thrive, because we are only as strong as our customers. We will win together, but we do need to be there together.